In this video, I'll show you how to create invoices in Xero. Start by signing into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top menu and click Business, then select Invoices. This will open your Invoices page where you can create and manage customer invoices. Now click the New Invoice button. Xero will open a blank invoice form. In the Contact field, select an existing customer or click to create a new contact if the customer has not been added yet. Next, check the invoice date and due date. Make sure these dates are correct before continuing. After that, enter a reference number if your business uses one. Now move to the Item section. In the Description field, enter the product or service you're billing for. Then enter the quantity, unit price, and any applicable tax rate. If you need to bill for multiple products or services, click Add a new line and enter the additional items. As you add items, Xero will automatically calculate the subtotal, taxes, and total amount due. Take a moment to review all the details and confirm everything is accurate. Once the invoice is ready, click Save if you want to finish it later, or click Approve to finalize the invoice. After the invoice is approved, click Email to send it directly to your customer. You can review the email message before sending it. Finally, monitor the invoice status from the Invoices page. When your customer makes a payment, you can record or reconcile the payment in Xero to keep your accounts up to date. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create invoices in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.